Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to learning and identifying generative AI for web development. So nowadays, as you know that how generative AI tools and how artificial intelligence tools are making more power on technologies. So learning and applying these AI technologies for your web development journey will give you really a great approach. So few details I would like to share you regarding this. So using generative AI is super easy, and applying these skills to making more saving your time. It's really saving, really like a great scenario of saving times you will observe. While learning and applying generative AI skills greatly, as you know that generative AI skills for creating more content. How it is accordingly your query. How you are asking in a generative AI tools getting an information and applying in terms of text, in terms of coding, scripting, and even HTML web pages. What are your ideas? What are your thoughts? You can add to prompt. For example, I'll say that maybe a Gemini AI or ChatGPT AI. Using these tools to enter your prompt with your ideas and create a source code for you. So first understand how the basic of our terminology of web application or web development environments and creating a simple web page. Then ask ChatGPT using this generative AI skills improving your page, how to add menus, how you will be seen look and beautification, how you are going to be applying these applying of improving of your skills and more creating more eye-catching web templates will gives you more confidence on you. So making and understanding, creating by using this generative AI templates that really help you more and more and make you master in very less time to applying your web development skills. To learning a first step using generative AI tools to start building basic HTML templates and HTML pages. From there you can improve by adding CSS skills, like how you are making a beautification of your web page. By adding a first part is a HTML and second you apply a CSS skills to adding beautification of your web page. Then you try to add a more relevant to the client side interactions of applying of JavaScript elements. This combination gives you the first step of web development environment footsteps, I can say. So learning and applying in a practical way. Use any one of your favorite and comfortable IDE. Get the code from ChatGPT or any other generative AI tools. Get the code, add it, run it. Beautiful sites and web development skills you learn. Very short time you become a successful master in generative AI for web development environments and web development applications. All the best.